Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video we are going to take a look at the official order from Telangana High Court regarding NEET PG 2023 postponement. Okay, the order came little late. Okay, there might be many reason for the order coming late, but when it came late it came with twist, because in the argument which happened in the High Court, it looked more in the favor of candidates, but when the order came, it had some twist. Okay, we'll try to understand what is the twist. I have taken some screenshot of the order. Okay, we'll proceed and try to understand from that. Before that, if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel. You can contact us on the number 9319128677 for paid counseling guidance, or you can also register with us. For that, you can call us, and you can follow us on Telegram group. You can join it. You can follow us on Instagram and Twitter mostly. So this is one of the page. Okay, there we see the point number 7. The court having considered the rival submissions. First of all, the court has mixed the topics or the issues for BDS also, BDS exam, and they have considered MDS as well in their order. The court having considered the rival submission made by the parties, each of the considered view that postponing the NEET PG examination, NEET MDS examination may not be feasible because the above entrance examination would be conducted on all India basis and the dates were already finalized 6 months back. Therefore, the request of the petitioner cannot be entertained. So until now, the order clearly tells that the petition of postponing the exam, okay, cannot be entertained because it has been declared 6 months back, which is the same statement given by NMC that we have declared the exam date 6 months back. They mentioned five months back. Okay, in the hearing they mentioned that it's fundamental right which is getting violated, and in return it was accepted by the NMC lawyers also that okay, we are wrong at this side. Okay, now let's just read out the next point. However, this court each of the considered view and the ends of justice would be met if the present writ petition is disposed of with a direction to the petitioners to submit a fresh representation to the respondents seeking. Here the respondents are NMC and petitioners are the candidates who are demanding for the postponement. We need to understand because there are words, okay, which has more meaning, is not common meaning, but is has meaning related to the constitution or law. Okay, but we need to understand in plain language. They have given a direction to the petitioner to submit a fresh representation to the respondents seeking postponement of NEET PG examination within 1 week. Within 1 week, you have to file a fresh representation to NMC. And upon such representation being received, the respondents shall consider and pass appropriate orders, okay, in accordance with law as expeditiously as possible, by keeping in mind that entrance examination is scheduled to be held in the first week of March 2023. See, upon the representation being received, the respondent shall consider, note a date, shall consider and pass an order. So ultimately, Telangana High Court accepts, indirectly they are accepting that this national level examination, and they don't want to interfere in the decision of postponement of national level examination because they are High Court, not Supreme Court. Okay, and with the reason that the examination date got published 6 months back, and now just to close this or giving a end point to the justice, okay, they are asking the petitioners to file a fresh representation to NMC. Okay, and NMC, when they receive the representation, they need to consider an order in accordance with the law. Okay, so Telangana High Court is leaving everything on NMC, that what they consider, keeping in mind that entrance exam is on 5th of March, the first week. So in keeping in mind that examination is on first week of March, they should give the order as soon as possible upon it is being received. Okay, the court has not expressed any opinion on the merit of case. Okay, which is having little deviation from the hearing. The wordings in the hearing and the order has little deviation, which clearly we can see. That's why you can see on the Twitter, you can see on the Telegram groups, the candidates are now not that much positive about the postponement, or those who are giving their opinion, they are not very much positive about postponement compared to what it was after the hearing could complete. Okay, before parting with the case, we also make it clear from the next academic year, the respondent, the NMC, whenever you see read respondent, it is NMC, shall take steps to see all the candidates who completed MBBS BDS course across the country. A uniform cutoff date to be fixed. Enough care is taken to ensure that sufficient time is granted to all students to prepare for NEET. Okay, so they have clubbed NEET PG, NEET, okay, for BDS candidates, for MBBS candidates, everything, for MDS as well. So it's a suggestion from Telangana High Court to NMC that for next academic years, they need to consider these matters in advance in better way in order to care the concern of all the candidates and provide the sufficient time. But they are not going to do anything. They are not interested to do anything for this session because it's last moment, and at the last moment, because there are many preparations which is already done. So postponement order given by High Court, okay, may lead to many arrangements which is already done, many staffs who already appointed for particular date on the examination center. It may lead to those things getting dismissed. Okay, so they are not taking the courage to give the decision in the favor of candidates. They are leaving it to NMC by giving suggestion. So all the preachings are going on by Telangana High Court. So clearly you can see it doesn't look in the favor of postponement. Still, it's all up to Supreme Court. And you know the Supreme Court in such matter, they take very quick decision, or they don't even listen to the matter. They just see the topic and throw it away. So still it remains same that it's very less chance that examination will postpone, and you have to consider 5th March as the date. Because those who are the lawyers, okay, who are working on this case in the favor of candidates, they have their limitation not to talk against or not to talk in negative way against postponement. They have to keep talking the positive way of postponement. It doesn't mean that you have to increase your hope. Something very concrete way, it should come in written. The order has come. It doesn't make very clear that it is going to postpone. Even the High Court is not taking that responsibility to give the decision. They are leaving everything to NMC, and you know what NMC has said and what NMC have been doing since they came into picture. They are very rigid at their point. Once they take decision, they don't listen to anyone. So leaving the decision to NMC means very clear it's not postponement again. So that's all my analysis in this regard. I knew the candidates putting messages in group and sending me WhatsApp messages personally asking what does it mean. Okay, so that's my interpretation. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.